A mushroom drawn with fun, from simple shapes each one. Let's create it together and see what a beautiful mushroom can be. Another awesome drawing adventure. I'm thrilled you could tag along for the ride. Did you know? Mushrooms are like nature's superheroes. They zap dead plants and trees, turning them into magic nutrients that help new plants grow. It's like they got the ultimate forest cleaning superpower. So, no wonder they wear hero hats. They're saving the forest one spore at a time. Just like our hero here. We've got everything ready to give him a worthy and proud one. In the forest, deep and green, lives a mushroom. Quite a scene. With a hat so bold and bright, he's the hero of the night. Hero Mushroom, standing tall. The coolest fungi of them all. With a smile and a spore, he's on the go. Saving the forest with a glowing show. With all the details set just right, it's time for marker lines to make it clean and tight. Tell me, you peeperific peep, what wild and wonderful thing should we sketch together in the future? What cool adventure would you put us on? Remember, drawing is all about experimenting and having fun. Every smudge and scribble is just a new adventure in your drawing journey. So, embrace the mistakes and watch your creativity grow. Those lines are looking slicker than a slip and slide. I'm impressed. We're inching closer to adding some color to our hero. Have you picked out the colors you're going to use? I'm sure whatever you choose will be totally amazing. But if you're unsure, check out my example for a splash of inspiration. And don't forget, there are more awesome videos like this on scribblepeeps.com. Bye.